everyone, my name is Dong Phong. I'm from class 1B0. Today, I'm going to talk about a story called The Bats, the Beasts, and the Birds. Long ago, all the beasts and the birds lived together in the forest. They usually got along, but one morning an argument erupted. Birds are the greatest animals. A robin bragged, "We have lovely feathers and powerful wings." A bear scolded, "Beasts have warm fur and sharp teeth." "That's right," a fox snapped. All at once, the birds began flapping and squawking. The beasts roared and stomped. A bat family sat in a tree, listening to the terrible argument. Whose side should we take? The mother bat whispered, "We have wings like birds, and fur and teeth like beasts." The father said. The mother bat watched the birds soar across the sky. "Birds are amazing," she said. The father nodded. "Birds are the greatest animals. Let's join them." Each day, the bats flew with the birds. But one day, the mother bat watched the beasts below. "The beast's fur is beautiful," she whispered. The father bat nodded. "And their sharp teeth make them very powerful." "I changed my mind. Beasts are the greatest animals. Let's join them." After that, the bats spent all their time with the beasts. One afternoon, another argument erupted. Once again, the two sides argued about the best animals were. About the flapped and squawked. The birds flapped and squawked, and they boasted about their feathers and wings. The beasts roared and stomped. They bragged about their fur and teeth. Finally, an old owl said, "This argument is so silly. We must meet with the beasts. Surely we can have peace in the forest again." And so the birds and the beasts held a meeting. Everyone agreed it was time to return peace to the forest. The birds and the beasts held a celebration. The bats flew over, ready to join everyone. But to their surprise, the others looked angry. The old owl blinked at them. "You joined the beasts when you thought they were the greatest animals," the gray ghost softly. "And you joined the birds when you thought they were the greatest." But the bats tried to explain. The birds snorted and flapped away. The beasts turned their backs. The mother bat hung her head. "We joined each side when they suited us." The father nodded sadly. "We should have stayed loyal to one side." The bats flew over to a cave far from the others. Ever since then, the bats hide in the dark caves, flying only at night. The end. Bye-bye.